Want to run more than one YouTube channel without creating a second Google account? It's actually built right into YouTube, and it takes less than 2 minutes to set up. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. If you're new here, this is Solve Point, where I break down tech how-to step by step. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's get into it. Start by heading over to youtube.com. In the top right corner, click your profile picture. From here, you've got two paths that both lead to the same place. You can click Settings directly, or go into YouTube Studio first and find Settings from there. If you go the Studio route, click Continue on the channel prompt, then look for Settings in the bottom left menu. Once it loads, click on Channel, then Advanced Settings, and scroll down until you see Manage YouTube Account. Clicking that brings you to the exact same account page as the direct route, so either way works. Once you're on your account page, go to the Your YouTube Channel section. Underneath it, you'll see three options. Click Add or Manage Your Channels. Give it a second to load, and it'll show you every channel currently linked to your account. Click Create a New Channel. You'll be prompted to name it. This can be anything you want, and don't stress over getting it perfect since you can always change the name later. Once you've typed it in, hit Create. Give it a moment to process, and YouTube will automatically create the channel and drop you right onto it. You'll notice the URL at the top of the page has changed, confirming you're now on your brand new channel. If for some reason it doesn't switch you over automatically, no problem. Just go back to your profile picture in the top right, click Switch Account, and you'll see a list of every channel tied to your account. Pick whichever one you want to hop into, and that's it. A full second channel, same login, 0 extra accounts needed. If this saved you some time, drop a like and subscribe to Solve Point for more quick, no-fluff tech tutorials. See you in the next one.